Instead of rear view mirrors, it has cameras, but that's not why the Audi e-tron is a big deal. Welcome to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. Audi's first mass-produced electric vehicle is here, and it's an SUV. Here's all you need to know about it just in 2 minutes. Yes, this is a true all-wheel drive SUV with an electric motor on each axle. Under normal driving conditions, the total system output is about 360 PS and 561 Nm of torque, good for a 0 to 100 km/h time of 6.6 seconds. This drops to 5.7 seconds once boost mode is engaged, where the motors generate 408 PS of power and 664 Nm of torque for up to 8 seconds. Audi has declared a claimed range of over 400 km on a single charge. Nearly 30% of this range is attributed to the e-tron's energy regeneration during coasting and braking. These motors draw power from a 95 kWh battery pack, which supports a fast 150 kW charging capability, enabling a 0 to 80% charge in 30 minutes. The car of the future will of course be tech-loaded, and that includes the optional cameras instead of wing mirrors, which get 7-inch displays inside the cabin. Other features include the Audi Virtual Cockpit instrument panel, the MMI touch infotainment screens, a 16-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, and optional matrix LED headlights. For practicality, it has a family-friendly cabin with 660 liters of boot space, expandable to 1725 liters, a panoramic sunroof to keep things airy, and 4-zone climate control to keep the family cool. Deliveries in Europe have been scheduled for late 2018, with prices starting at nearly 80,000 euros or about rupees 70 lakh. While the e-tron hasn't been confirmed for India, if introduced here, we can expect a launch around 2020. Don't forget to subscribe to CarDekho for more quick updates, and thank you so much for watching.